Well, yeah, still happening. If this is coming from Norton, I don't think it's a good idea. See, this is coming from, I tried to connect, and this keeps happening. I hit deny, and it comes right back. Hit deny, and it comes right back. So I'm gonna get into Norton. Get into Norton. And try to get rid of the nasties. And that is just in the way. Well, Norton doesn't know about it. Says I'm protected, but no. I get this nonsense. Shit. How do I even log in if this is the only thing I can interact with? Isn't there an always deny? Why don't I get an always deny? And this is nonsense too. To continue using iCloud, confirm your new Mac password. Shit. I'm not going to do that when I hit a deny and it keeps coming back. How do let's do scan now, see if that works. Scan now. Let's do full scan. Well, this is going to take a while. And I won't be surprised if Norton goes, "Oh, everything's fine." Maybe later.